Choosing the best WordPress hosting. There's really nothing inherently different about WordPress hosting versus any other type of web hosting. But there are a couple of things about WordPress that make certain hosts not particularly well suited for it. In this article, we're going to look at a few of the things you should look for. If you're going to be building a number of websites all running on WordPress, one of the first things you should look for is a host running cPanel with Fantastico. Fantastico is an automated installer for many different scripts and applications, including WordPress. It can make the process of setting up your WordPress site much easier and faster than doing it manually using FTP. You'll also need to be sure the host offers the MySQL database, since this is what powers WordPress. Most hosts do offer it, but there are a couple of other options out there such as PostgreSQL and Microsoft SQL Server. How many websites your hosting company runs on any given server will also be important, particularly if your website starts to get a decent amount of traffic. This is mainly an issue when you're dealing with shared hosting plans. Some hosting companies run hundreds of websites on a single server, and this can have a significant impact on the speed of your WordPress site, especially if there are many other WordPress sites on the same server. Look for a host that doesn't overload their servers, as a faster site will help keep your visitors happy as well as help to improve your search engine rankings. If you're planning to run any resource-intensive WordPress plugins on your site, such as an auto-blogging plugin or an affiliate data feed plugin, make sure your host allows this type of use. Some hosts limit the type of scripts and plugins that you can install because they tend to use a lot of resources. You might need to upgrade to a higher level of hosting or even to a VPS or virtual private server to get full support for these. In fact, it's often better to use a VPS for these types of sites anyway, because even if the host allows these scripts, they may not run very well on a loaded server. Finally, make sure that the server is configured so the automated WordPress updates will work. Some hosting companies configure their servers in a way that doesn't let the WordPress updates run automatically. This can be a big time saver, especially with multiple websites, so check with the host before you sign up and see if their servers are compatible with this WordPress feature.